A 1961 Corvair Truck. This thing is beautiful. Done by Bob, a body man. He did all the body work on this. Apparently this thing was rough when he got it. And as you can see, it's a deluxe cream puff. Again, it's a 61. Cool ram side tag on there. Look at this thing. Look how nice that is. And the paint is primo.
He said in February they're going to have the breakfast.
And he redid the interior. You can see it's got the nice, the seals are great. Look at this dash. Super minimalist, super clean. Look at this thing. Wow, it's a deluxe cream puff. Carpeting all in here. All the trim work. Check out this door. Everything on here is legit. Nice, nice, nice. Look at this. Super nice. Check out this door latch. Oh man, and he farmed out the seat, what he put it in. I like this liner. It's not Linex or Rhino liner. It's another brand. I can't recall, but he thinned it out and applied it. He said these stainless latch assemblies are like $200 each. So yeah, super deluxe. Look at this thing. Wow, look at this. He did all the metal work in here, all of it. I guess the floor pan was smashed down because this was glass used by the Rainier Beer Company to deliver beer. Pretty amazing, right? And they had thrown all their kegs and beer back here, and it totally smashed the floor down. And as we make our way back, look at this. He tried to match the original color. Apparently these originally were gray in interiors. Maybe this might be a little darker gray, but way better than factory. And this is the best part, in my opinion. So the original motor, 61 motor, was no good. So he said he sourced this motor, I forget where, but this is a 65. And it originally had a 3-speed manual transmission in it, but he didn't feel like shifting. So he yanked that out and went to a Corvair lot, a boneyard, right off in Mount Airy. So I'll have to check that out. And he rigged up, I don't know if you can see it, he rigged up a solenoid plunger right here so he can remote from the front and open this nitro shocked hatch for the motor. This is not how it came from the factory. Their plate was just bolted down, 10 bolts I think, and he tack welded in the framework in this so he could put this nitro shock assembly in. He said this is from a Cadillac CTS, same with the other one over there, and he rigged it out so he could actually close this with the tailgate up, and the clearance is just bang on ridiculously tight, man. Totally well put together. This is a beautiful 61. Love these Corvairs. Yep, I think he said he spent 4+ years working on it with a 2-year gap to recover from triple bypass heart surgery. How about that for a delay, right? Outstanding.